Welcome back to Bizarre Cooking. I'm Brian Bizarre, and today I'm going to show you guys how to cook some shake and bake chicken in the Instapot Ninja Foodi. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's get this shake and bake going. We got some regular fillets in there, which you can see here. Non-shake and bake, looking good. But we're going to shake this one up. We're going to shake this and we're going to bake this one. So I didn't read the instructions, but I'm just guessing that you throw this in first. I didn't season this at all. It is a little moistened. Let's stick that fillet up in there like that. That's alright. Hope you guys can see it. Shake and bake it. Shake and bake it, baby. Shake it and bake it. Alright, we're going to let this marinate for about 10 minutes or so. And then I'll throw it into the Instapot. Doesn't that look delicious? Now you know it does. Alright, now the chicken breast is breaded. Let's go ahead and transfer. Oh, before, a quick spread. Sorry guys, I got some background noise. Don't worry about that. We're going to go ahead and transfer that in there. Pop it on bake. Let's go max 400. I'm bringing it 15. We'll flip it 7. Be right back. Alright guys, it's good. I left it in here a little. Sorry guys, my old kid's there. And I did overcook this bad boy a little bit, but it's still, maybe a lot, but it's still gonna taste good. I'll be plating and serving next. Okay, Paris, let's eat. Alright, let's try this out. A little bit of hot sauce. It's okay. Alright, let's try this out, folks. A little overcooked, sorry. Got caught talking to my brother. Should still be good. Hold on, hold on.
Well, you have a little piece in there. Daddy, hot.
You guys gotta try this. You gotta try this. This is delicious. Thank you guys. If you like the videos, please like, comment. You know what to do. I'll see you guys on the next one.